Hey guys, it's Eric here from Blocksee. I'm just going to take you through the airdrop workflow and show you how it works. So share my screen. All right. So you should be looking at, and you are looking at the audience tab in Blocksee. We're logged in, and this is basically the list builder and list selector. Every list in here, you can airdrop to the list, the whole list, or selected members on it. It also is a list of a group chat in Blocksee, which we showed in the other demo. But for the airdrops, I'm just opening a list, and I'm selecting a couple of the addresses to add to the airdrop. I can, as a reminder, click through on any wallet address and see who it is. If I already have collected information about that person, this is my colleague Josh, his information is in there, and his wallets are divided by their Ethereum and their Polygon assets, and also any ERC20 tokens he has. So I'm sure I've got the right wallet, so I'm going to go back to that list, which is right here. Select that wallet. I'm also going to add this X39, which I know is Matt's wallet. I checked it previously. I'm going to click this Add to Airdrop button. So now it says Fetching NFTs from Polygon Network, and it's opened the Inventory tab, and it's showing what is available in my MetaMask wallet for airdrop, and it's showing specifically the NFTs that are on Polygon, because my MetaMask wallet is connected to Polygon. If I switch it to Ethereum mainnet, you'll see that the assets available for airdrop have changed, and so now it's showing my Ethereum NFTs. But I'm going to go back to Polygon, which is where I'm going to do an airdrop, and it's loading those assets back in there. You can see over here on the left the two different wallet addresses that I loaded in on the Audience Builder tab. And now I'm going to select from this Blocksee NFT collection we made, just to do examples of how the airdrop works. You can see I've got 95 of them. They're all the same. As long as this number is larger than the people I'm dropping to, if it's a collection where all the assets are the same, it'll be fine. But if this list is too big, if it's more than 95, I'll get an error message because I won't be able to send assets to everyone in the list. So I at least have to have fewer than the total size of the collection. So to check that, I'm clicking the airdrop. You can see there's a check mark there for approving NFTs. If it's the first time the NFT collection has interacted with the Blocksee smart contract, you have to approve it in your wallet. Now here, though, I've already got that approval done, so I'm just clicking confirm to airdrop the NFTs to those two addresses. And so now MetaMask is doing its thing, and the wheel spins. And as soon as it's done, I get the NFT airdrop successful message. And so now I know those wallets have received at least one NFT each from this Blocksee collection that had 95 in it. So that's how the Blocksee airdrops works. Thanks for taking a look.